Today, we're making a flavoursome and comforting fish curry, rich in spices, creamy in texture and full of authentic taste. These are all the ingredients that bring this fish curry to life. Simple, fresh and full of flavour. Now, let's make our spice paste. Add garlic, red onion, ginger, candle nuts and chillies into a blender. Pour in some cooking oil. Then blend everything until smooth and aromatic. Heat some oil in the pan, then add in the blended paste, turmeric, kaffir lime leaves, bay leaves and lemongrass. Cook it on medium heat, stirring gently until it smells wonderfully fragrant. Slowly pour in the coconut milk while stirring. This is where the curry starts to come together, creamy, smooth and aromatic. Carefully place the fish pieces into the pan, gently stirring, making sure not to break them, and let them soak up all those rich, flavoursome spices. Next, add the long beans and tamarind paste for that nice tangy flavour. Then season with sugar, salt and a bit of seasoning powder. Give everything a good stir. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes, letting all the spices come together beautifully. Then add the tomatoes. They'll add a lovely colour and light acidity to the curry. When the fish is perfectly cooked and ready to serve, spoon it into a serving bowl and finish with a garnish of fresh coriander or herbs, adding colour and aroma. The fragrance and colour of this dish is so inviting. This fish curry is absolutely delicious, creamy, spicy and just so satisfying. It's a super easy recipe you can make at home anytime. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your fish curry and happy cooking.